Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how I play chords to Forget-Me-Nots by Patrice Rushen on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard, and we'll be playing some chords that we'll need to isolate notes on, like a D major 9. Now with that chord, I'm starting at the A string and going down to the B string and stopping there. Let's get a closer look. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E, and our first chord is the key chord, G flat minor 7. So we're playing in the key of G flat minor. We're going to play that chord by barring from the D string down at fret 2 and putting in a bass note with the thumb at fret 2 on the low E string. The A string is muted. You can also play that chord this way. That's by barring fret 2 and placing a finger on the 4th fret on the A string. That's also G flat minor 7. I prefer this one because all I've got to do is grab the fretboard like that. Next we'll go to D major 9, which is played this way. I've got a finger on the A string fret 5, the D string fret 4, the G string fret 6, and the B string fret 5, and I'm strumming down to the B string. With that chord, you can leave the high E string open. Still sounds okay. And that's D major 9. We'll play an E chord made this way. For that chord, I'm barring fret 4 and I'm going to play the G string with my middle finger at fret 6 and the B string at fret 5. And we can hold down the high E if we can for that one. That's an E chord. We'll also play a normal E chord or an open E chord. That's by placing a finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, the 2nd fret on the D string, and the 1st fret on the G string, playing all the strings. Now sometimes when we play that G flat minor 7, we'll play a G flat minor 9 by putting a finger here. So here's our chord, and we're going to add a finger at the 4th fret on the high E string for a G flat minor 9. We'll play it this way. We'll also play a D flat 9th suspended 4 by doing that, and we're just barring fret 4 from the A string down, playing down to the B string. We'll place a finger in here, or the little finger, at fret 7 for a D flat 7 suspended 4. So we'll play like that. Now those are all the chords we're going to need for the song, so let's get into it. Now for the intro and choruses of the song, we'll play a G flat minor 7, D major 9, and E, and that E is at the 4th fret. We'll go back to our G flat minor 9 and play back to the G flat minor 7. So that's G flat minor 9 to G flat minor 7. And then we'll go up to our D major 9, then to our D ninth suspended 4, D7 suspended 4. So that's next is our verse chords. And for the verse chords, we'll simply go to our D major 9, our open E chord, and G flat minor 7. We'll play it this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's a little riff that I added to it, and that'll take us back to our verses. So that's 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. In order to play that, we're going to go to the G string at the 4th fret and do a bend. Come back down, fret 2 on the G string, and then to the D string, fret 4. So that's, and then you go back to your G flat minor 7. And since all the parts are repeated, that's all we need to know in order to play the chords to Forget-Me-Nots on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.